Check out this 2010 Chevrolet Camaro. If you're looking for an automobile with great attributes, look no further. A low odometer reading makes this vehicle a great value at this price. With a reliable engine connected to a smooth shifting transmission. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this vehicle: keyless entry, power door locks, power windows, cruise control, power steering, air conditioning. And for your peace of mind, the following safety equipment is included: traction control, stability control, low tire pressure warning. Call today to schedule a test drive.